quick vid to show my weapon loadout for the Anvil Hawk because I like it so much. So here's my systems, as I was saying before. So I have 2 zero rushes, and my power plant's a JS300. I have that Mirage in here instead of 2 of the F66s. Because I want the stealth ability out of it. And my weapons are GT 215, GT 210s, and the and that's it, right? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the G15s and 2 of the G10s, for a total of 6 Gatling guns. That is really nice.